We just poured 2 glasses of Oatly drink. It's an oat drink from Sweden, and we like it quite a bit.
No, sorry.
First we're going to try
What did you want to try?
the raspberry.
Ooh. But it's apparently not a Danish Pop-Tart, but it looks like a Pop-Tart.
It looks Danish. It comes from, who knows, this one, I don't know where this comes from. But it looks like a Pop-Tart, and it's raspberry flavor. It's what's called a snitter. Well, that's how we say it. And it looks just like a Pop-Tart.
Gosh, it's pretty thick. Have you had these before?
No. And it tastes like a really dry, doughy Pop-Tart.
I do get raspberry, but it's not very sweet.
Or it's not sweet and really doughy.
I cannot figure that one out.
Next we have an ISIS bar.
Oh gosh.
Free Coco's bar.
Already on this one.
And we'll try this one too. Free soft bar. Peanuts. It's a protein bar. You open that one, I'll open this one.
Oh, it smells really good. Oh, wow. If I could get this out of the package.
Yeah.
It's really not bad.
This one's really good. Coconut flavor is really good.
Oh. And this really smells like coconut too. Well, this company actually created their name before they knew what was going to happen. And now they changed their name to ISIS. Not to be confused with ISIS.
Now this is a Tom's filled chocolate turtle. Nikki will open that when I get something for her. I'll open these. These are, I think, from Germany. Latte macchiato.
I think this is caramel filled. I'm not sure where the head is. I'm taking a bite.
These taste like obviously
Oh.
coffee beans, but with a lot of chocolate. Chocolate.
No, this is oozing out and it tastes like alcohol. I don't know if there's rum in that.
This egg might be alcohol.
How can that be?
This is alcoholic,
Oh, rum cream! Rum cream and caramel.
and it's really kind of strong. Not to get you drunk or anything, but I mean, look at that. It looks like a Cadbury egg, but with alcohol.
And you find it right next to the checkout. I'm surprised they would do that. I got these because I thought they were going to be more like a Pocky, but this is straight chocolate. Coffee on the inside. Really good chocolate. And the packaging is cool.
Throw that
Deluxe.
complimentary gift box. Next we have
Whew.
Coletta. These are Danish Polly Puffar sea salt, salty corn puffs covered with milk chocolate.
Ooh.
Actually, this might be Swedish. No, I'm pretty sure this is Danish. I wish I saw where these are made, but I hope they're not Swedish. But if they are, forgive me.
Does that mean French?
Yeah.
But this is made in Denmark.
Those are made in Denmark.
Guitar tour.
These puffs might be Swedish.
Oh, this also smells really good, but I don't think I like that nougat stuff. Oh. Okay, it kind of tastes like a s'more.
These corn puffs almost taste like non-cheesy.
Try that.
What is the Cheetos? Those almost taste like non-cheesy Cheetos.
Oh, this is good. It's not too salty. I like this one better.
This
Polly Puffer. I've never had either of those before.
This nougat is really good, but it's really chewy, kind of like a milk dud. This one?
Oh yeah.
And we got these caramel taste balls of
Floatable.
cream inside.
But we've never had a flavored one.
Yeah, Nikki will open it because I'm not good at opening that. She'll open that, and I'll open this Yankee bar. It's a retro edition. It was made for U.S. troops after World War II by this Danish company. I'll open this and then we'll split one of these caramel fluid ball. You'll take first bite.
Just a little thin wafer on the bottom. Actually, I'm gonna cut this open. Oh, the inside is normally white, and that looks really good. Oh wow. This is like an updated, I mean the traditional ones are not flavored, but this is really good.
Wow.
They also had strawberry, pistachio, elderberry, flour, and coconut toppings. I actually would get this one again, but these are more expensive than the other ones because they're trying to make a comeback with the nicer packaging.
It's also too sweet, a little bit sweet. What do you think? Alright, here's the Yankee bar.
I think it's too sweet because we've eaten a lot of sugar.
It's kind of like a Mars bar, or almost exactly like one.
But they wanted it to sound American after the war. So this has been around for 70 years. That's good. It's exactly almost a Mars bar.